We're back. Not the funny one. Okay? I am not the fucking funny one! Get in the camera.
Okay, and I'm going to introduce myself.
You bitch! I'm calling us bitches, man. What the fuck?
Fine. I won't say you're a bitch. Let me be kind and say it nicely.
Suck my dick! Jason became a bad person. Oh, and my friend Sean, she told me the story about an egg named Hector. But you want to know something about eggs? It looked like this girl's head. Oh, you're gonna say something again, aren't you?
I'm gonna play this girl. Excuse me, young lady. You bitch!
We gonna stop the clip.